See, this is the job number 2, T fitting of the fitting shop. The size of the required raw material is MS flat, mild steel flat, having length with height of 63 mm, 10 mm and 47 mm respectively. And this is the dimensions which we will achieve after the different operations. The final job will be seems like this: T fitting. So now we start to make a T fitting from the given two MSPs. Okay, the tool will be required bench wise: steel rule, square, tri-square, ball peen hammer, scriber, hacksaw blades, dot punch and center punch, surface plate, vernier height gauge, rough and smooth flat file, and flat chisel and triangular file. Okay, sequence of the operation will be filing, checking of flatness and squareness, marking and measuring, punching, sawing, chipping and finishing of workpiece. Again we will start the procedure. First we will measure our raw material dimensions. First we measure the dimensions of raw material. These are the two raw material MS flat. Now you can see there, after the cutting there is burr. You can see first procedure, the burr in the piece are removed and the dimensions are checked with the steel rule or vernier caliper. Okay. Sequence of the operation will be filing, checking of flatness and squareness, marking and measuring, punching, sawing, chipping and finishing of workpiece. Now this job has been fixed in this bench wise, and now with the help of rough file we will remove this burr from this metal. Now you can see after the filing operation, burr has been removed from the surface of this workpiece. Again we will remove this job from this bench wise and we will go for the measuring the dimensions of this MS flat. Now you can see this is two raw materials and we will check the dimensions one by one. You can see 63 in length, and 47 in height. In width this is 9.6. okay, and we will take second one. Length is 62.5. again height 47.5, and again width is 9.7. okay, now these two pieces are clamped one after the other and the outer mating edges are filed by using rough and smooth file to achieve the dimensions: 45 in height, 62 in length, and thickness will be the 9 mm. So on the both pieces are filed to achieve these dimensions. After that we will go for further operation. First we start to filing on these. Hence after the filing operation, with the help of the tri-square we will check the flatness, straightness and squareness or right angles between adjacent sides of both workpieces. We have applied the chalk on the surface of both workpieces, and we will first mark up 20 mm dimension at the bottom side with the help of vernier height gauge. Okay. Now we have done the marking on job. Now, as per the diagram, we will remove this part from this workpiece, this part and this part, and now with the help of the dot punch we will mark here. The punching operation will carried out. Now we can see clearly the both workpiece have been marked with the help of dot punch. Okay, and this is the job number A, this is the job number B. So in job number A, first we remove the material at both side, and in job number B we will remove the material at this point. Okay, this part of the material. Okay, again, so we will go for the next operation, cutting operation with the help of the hand saw. So we can see here clearly cutting operation is done. We will removing this material from this bench vise. This cutting operation is over, and now we will go for drilling operation to remove the unwanted material from part B. Nine mm drill bit have been fixed in sleeve, and our workpiece part B fixed in this drill vise. Now we will start the drilling operation. Now we get clean the surface after the first drill. Again we are attempting for the second drilling operation. So now our drilling operation has been over, and now with the help of the chisel we will remove this material with the help of the ball peen hammer. So now our drilling operation has been over, and now with the help of the chisel we will remove this material with the help of the ball peen hammer. Now you can see the material has been removed. So again we will clamp this workpiece in bench wise, and with the help of the rough file we will remove the extra material to achieve the flatness at this surface. Now You can see clearly here with the help of the square file. We flattened the unequal part of the workpiece, and now our part B is ready. Remove it from the benchwise. So now the corner of the stepped surfaces are filed by using the square or triangular file to get the sharp corners. So in this manner our job number 2, T-fitting, as per the required dimension, is prepared. Thank you.